Hydro Tasmania provides the generation of renewable energy for Tasmania's energy needs, and we have assets that date back to 1914. It's my role and Hydro Tasmania's role to ensure that the assets are in good working order for generations to come. At any one given time, we might have up to 300 projects in progress. There's a lot of complexity. We've got teams of project managers and engineers that are working on these projects, and we were keen to see as much automation as we could. Hydro Tasmania had already chosen Office 365, the Microsoft platform, and we'd heard that Sensei were particularly skilled in integrating the Project Online solution with existing business systems. That was what really put us in touch with Sensei and started us on this journey.
In terms of working with Hydro Tasmania's resources, they made it really clear what was expected and required from an implementation point of view. For the workshops that were facilitated by our consultants, that process worked really well, and we were able to implement a solution that fit their needs.
They had some quite unique requirements that I'd certainly not come across before. So they have lots of large asset infrastructure items out and about, so big power plants. And when they need to shut these things down to do scheduled maintenance, there's quite a significant amount of cost involved in it, and work needs to be scheduled during that time. And they had an incredible difficult ability to sort of see that work and to ensure that it was being completed. And so having a PPM system in place where they could overlay the project management tasks that need to be done during that outage. And certainly that's one of the key things that we did, which was unique to their environment.
Some of the challenges, I guess, was lifting our own project management capability. You need to have that base level of Microsoft project experience. So we did do some initial users training to build that capability.
They came to us not only with a clear set of requirements and clear set of things that they wanted to achieve, but they also came with a reasonable level of maturity. So they had a lot of processes in place that they were using, but they needed to make that more efficient and underpin that with some systems so that they could roll up all this information into some rich reporting so they could see how their projects and programs were tracking.
Sensei took the time to really understand what we were setting out to achieve, facilitated workshops in a difficult environment in a really structured way, and ultimately delivered the project on time and on budget.
Hydro Tasmania is now able to realise some of those benefits and take advantage of some of those initial workshops that we progressed with.
Making those processes as efficient and as highly automated as possible really allows our people to focus on value-adding activities such as better design solutions or better safety outcomes on our projects. Things that are slipping behind schedule, for example, across the portfolio, we can now see any completion costs that are exceeding budget or potentially exceeding budget, we can see that. At Hydro Tasmania, we're really excited about the future. We believe we've got everything that the world needs in clean, renewable energy. When we have more interconnection into Victoria, we hope to build more on-island renewable energy capacity, which will facilitate a transition to clean, renewable energy across the entire country. And that'll bring about all sorts of projects that this solution will be relevant to.